nations. Plenty wives was the on plantation. Fuji house of commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji house of commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect and union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the con plantation. A Fuji house of commotion.
What differences?
I know something.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank God. Everybody, you should wash your plate. If you leave it like that.
Mommy P has been enjoying Monopoly.
Abiyo, since the other mothers have come on leave, she has become nice.
Oh, maybe it's because Sister June is finally leaving SS2.
Yeah, it's even true. How is she that even going to pass them?
Let's wait for their results. I know them now. Yeah, you should know Sister June. That's mine.
Very Ola.
Ma?
What gossip are you gossipers gossiping about?
Ah, I was just saying that Mommy P is the best mommy in the whole world.
This young man is so sad. It's what shows the life.
Sweet yellow succulent banana.
That's me.
The only wife of Fuji. Yeah, the only wife of Tajuddin and Adebowale Fuji Esquire. Èmi ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, èmi.
Yeah. Chief, what do you want?
Nothing, no. I'm just making a statement of fact. Kumbi, I have retired to Kaduna with full benefit. Ireti is on suspension because she ate to born twins and came back to only one baby.
Yes.
So I project very well. Look, so that's why I have moved my things from up to come and stay with you downstairs until further notice.
Chief, if that is the case, let us bring her down while 2 of us live upstairs.
Peace. Peace. You are an international Olodukokoro.
What is that?
What else do you want? You have me. And now you also want to take us. Or else I will go out, marry 2 more wives and 5 Uzi.
Chief, Atulewu. Don't be afraid there. Yes. Me too. Maybe. Me too. I am going to meet Alhaji Chiroma for Uzi.
The word is enough for the wives.
Thank you. What you know what?
Jẹ́ ká lẹ́san ni, jẹ́ ká lẹ́san wá o, bàbá jẹ́ ká yéye wa, ẹ ṣàmì àṣẹ, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀wọ́ àdúrà, ẹ ṣàmì àṣẹ o, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀wọ́ àdúrà, ìgbà òwúrọ̀ la wà, bàbá jẹ́ ká lẹ́san ni, pìnrìnrìn, jẹ́ ká lẹ́san wá o. Bàbá jẹ́ káyé yẹ wá. Agogo tí káwákàtí ọjọ́ láyé káwákàtí mi sí rere o. Má jẹ́ sí jẹ́, má jẹ́ sí mú, má jẹ́ sí lẹ̀tẹ̀ o. Má jẹ́ àpàdé àgbákò. Bẹ́lá mi wo bàbá. Má jẹ́ aṣòwò tí ó pé o láyé. Ojú rẹ̀ lámì wo bàbá, má jẹ́ ń gbàdé àgbákò láyé. These women are trying me. They are trying me. If I go and get a brand new chassis now, they will start saying, "A chief likes women. Chiefs like cheat on me." Hold me. Look at what hunger is doing to a man mountain like me. Tommy. Me, a whole Mr. Kilimanjaro. Look at me, a whole me.
Darling, I'm sorry. I had to prepare something special.
Too late. I want you.
Darling, look at it now.
You are tempting me.
Darling, moi. See the food. Smell it.
No, that is corruption. No, you cannot corrupt me. Don't corrupt me.
I don't want to corrupt my husband though. Okay. Let me eat the food now. You know, join me. Here. Oh, Chukwu.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Come on.
Oh, okay. Take. So, indeed, you are a hot cake. Darling-moi.
I do your children or my children.
No, this is not possible. With terrorists, person will die today. You, self-tight tenant, what are you doing there? Are you deaf, Mr. One-Eye, One-Leg? Are you not the person I'm talking to? Don't you know that your place is at the boys' quarters and not here, where I can behold you and you will offend my sensibility?
Like a dog that needs to visit Sakya.
What is happening?
Baby boy, thank God you came out too. Thank God, oh. Nothing, oh. Absolutely nothing. All I did was to ask this thing what he was doing by my gate. And he proceeded to insult me. Insult you. And in fact, insult the entire company. Baby boy.
Hey. Just stop it, oh. Stop it. Let this be the first and the last that you will ever call my darling-moi.
Likes me calling him baby boy. Oh, don't you, baby boy.
Alika, why are you still making trouble?
Here. Me making trouble. Hey, Chief, Biko, back to sender.
Alika.
Back to sender. Ask your colleague Wachuku. I was there in the judgment of my own. When she come out and begin to throw a hand and a leg like a Chinese, kai.
You third term 10.
Well, you can call me what you like. But for your information and the necessary amendment, I'm standing there making sure that when trouble visits this yard, it will know your address on the flat.
Because Papa's caller, direct it to Asoro.
One time.
Honey, where are you going?
I don't want trouble. Until your visitors leave, I have moved downstairs.
Honey, don't try to. Baby boy, you're not feeling me, oh. You're not feeling me, oh. Don't do this, oh. This is not going to happen, oh. You're not feeling me, oh. This is not going to work.
Darling-moi. Honey, baby, don't forget our date.
Baby boy, it's not going to work, oh. Honey, you're forgetting, oh. You asked me to go to this salon. If you don't want me to stay, just tell me to go. Honey, it's not going to work, oh. Chief, honey, it's not. I wasn't talking to you. I will lose my temper. Don't let me lose my temper. Don't let me lose my temper.
Just control that nonsense mouth of yours. Obin, come, let me warn you. If your saliva as much as touches my skin, hey, I will do to you one thing.
Let me go back to this one if you don't want me to stay.
It has maintained.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Jim. It's maintained.
Nascola.
You see power now?
Dalo so.
Biko, kedu ihe ngeji wee kene gị?
Chief. That is a very dangerous question to ask a poor man. But however, say it grammatical.
Okay. After all you've done for me, just say what you want me to use in saying thank you in retaliation.
Auntie, fish, meat, and chicken.
Okay, and so what? Let me go.
With a fried yam, a goosey soup,
and scholar.
Pounded yam,
Papa scholar.
Okporoko,
Alika.
complete with a snail, turkey that I will download with 3 bottles of wine. And I want to baby milk for the twins. School fees for 5 primary and 6 secondary students, plus money for my wife to start his own business. And okay. Yeah, peace. I know your bush meat. You will stay. Him no here. Now him here. Him run away. I know your bush meat.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2.
I don't know.